Good morning, everyone. I am Vishnu Jaktab, and in front of all of you, I am presenting the Business Standard newspaper headline. So, first of all, RBI increases repo rate by 35 basis point, hints at more hikes. Next, lowers its GDP growth forecast to 6.8% from 7%. Next, UPI to now allow blocking money for multiple debts. Next, consumer-facing companies see number immediate impact. Next, prepay home loans to combat impact of interest rate hike. Next, major airports tweaking schedule to avoid rush. Next, Deepam receives has 167 queries about IDBI sales. Next, MCD polls Kejriwal reaches out to PM has AAP win bigs. Next, understand pain of new MPs says PM in Parliament. Next, top line may grow in double digits say Tata Projects MD. Then on page number 2, in that Vedantu fires 385 in third round of layoffs this year. Next, center open to broader package for VI revival. Next, Fullerton deal, Sumitomo faces $670 million tax bill. Next, government stops export of 27,000 Vivo phones worth $15 million. Next, no government guarantees for NARC offer for Shri. Next, startup funding dips 35% to $24.7 billion in 2022. Next, top Xiaomi India executive resigns as challenges mount. Next, Blum Ventures closes its startup fund at over $250 million. Next, SCL Tech collaborates with Intel Mavenir to offer 5G solutions. Next, Tata Sons Chandrasekaran appointed chair of B20 India. Next, we expect double-digit top-line growth in FY23. Then on page number 3, in that work on Vizhin Jam port to resume within a week. Next, Baiju 6 easier terms on $1.2 billion loan amid steep losses. Next, NIF to invest rupees 631 crore in GMR's Goa airport. Next, McNally Bharat, three firms submit resolution plans. Then on page number 4, in that inflation battle far from over. Next, market braces for extend rate hike cycle. Next, e-commerce investments via UPI to be easier. Next, working on keeping e-rupees transaction anonymous. Next, little scope for RBI to take its foot off the gas. Next, lower size of rate change shows shift in wind. Then next, on page number 5, in that TIMP receives 167 queries for IDBI Bank. Next, consumer facing firms see no immediate pact of rate hikes. Next, rising repo rate base affect moderate credit growth. Next, foreign regulators should respect over credibility. Thus, next, pre-pandemic trading hours restored for some segments. Next, dispension on HTM bond books extended till March 2024. Next, Axis Bank may issue rupees 12,000 crore of Tier 2 bonds. Next, ex-BPCL Chief Singh is new CMD of ONGC. Next, IRDA for 3-year insurance cover on cars. Next, no decision on sale of AAI stake in major airports. Next, government 6 info from embassy on Iran bracing rise tea imports. Next, on page number 6, in that Belarus moves troops sparks fear of Russia opening a new front. Next, Volodymyr Zelensky is Time Person of the Year. Next, we are going to be free. Chinese chairs has COVID curbs. Next, Trump firms convicted in criminal tax fraud trial. Next, Adobe cuts 100 jobs in sales as tech titans belt. Next, Apple loosens grip on App Store pricing. Next, Apple scales back self-drive car plans, delays debut to 26. Next, German boots plot to put ex-royal in power. Next, MS Call of Duty deal with Nintendo puts Sony in spot. Next, Saudi's red carpet for XI has Gulf looks past US. Next, the last Boeing 747 ready to take flight. Next, rise of two new parties in Nepal ends monopoly of traditional forces in uh, Madhesh. Then we comes to the page number 7. It's an article section in that. More to come. Next, to talk about coal. Next, controversy in high places. Next, greening of the GST. Next, hard truths about soft power. Then on page number 8 in that, AEP ends BJP's 15-year rule in Delhi civic body. Next, rupees 2.44 trillion plan for transmission of 500 GW green energy by 2030. Next, avoid ruckus, give new PMs a chance to speak. PM on first day. Next, no proposal to alter existing quota system. Next, 1330 startups from gaming related sector. Then on page number 9 in that, BFS money manager divide over risk reward landscape. Next, rate hike may halt rally in BSF sector. Next, November report card, bank Finstock dominate FPI pie. Next, reality auto stocks losers has indies give mixed response to rate hike. Next, ABRDN stake sale may boost flows into HDFC AMC. Next, markets regulate to auction properties of four companies. Next, Sula Vineyard sets price band of rupees 340 to 357 per share of for IPO. Next, government allows PSU to invest in debt scheme of mutual funds. Next, November report card, bank fin stocks dominate FPI pie. Next on page number 10 in that, time still not ripped to bet on long-term debt funds. Next, repay home loan to combat impact of interest rate hikes. Next on page number 19 in that, Ola Electric scales up for competition. Next, no pause in sight of 25 BP rate hike in Fab not ruled out. Next, still pharma chemical added to export boosting scheme. Next on page number 20 in that, Deepika Padukone 2022 face of luxury. Next, FM among 6 Indians on Forbes powerful women list. Next, SC reverse order on note ban petitions. Then that much for today. Thanks for watching. Make a good day.